Okay. Hello. My name is Michael. Yes. And welcome to my Storybook Land channel. Yes. It's called MVGS Michael's Stories channel. Yeah. It's full of fun, educational, and full of fun, great books. Like this one. Then I'm going to tell you a story about Sneezy, who sneezed the wolf away. Ahem. Once upon a time, in spring, Sneezy saw some flowers, and he sneezed his friends all the way to the fountain, and Grumpy is not happy. And he sneezed the whole town, and everyone said, "It's Sneezy, and it's allergy season!" And he destroys the whole town with Sneezy. And Grumpy said, "Sneezy, your sneeze is like a wrecking ball." And Sneezy decides to leave the 70. And he found a strange wolf who needs an employee. Yes, an employee. And he takes Sneezy to Huff and Puff Incorporators. He sneezed the entire town in metal, straw, sticks, bricks, yes, everything. And the big bad wolf thanks for Sneezy to help and blow down all the pigs, and he needs his help to get sweets from Little Red Riding Hood. And Sneezy tells him to set her a trap to send her to the big bad wolf's house. And then the 7D have called up to Sneezy, and they said, what do you do in a place like this?" And Sneezy said, I'm working for Bad Guys Incorporators, and we're party planners." But Grumpy shows Sneezy the newspaper, and Sneezy says, "Do you mean the pigs don't want their house to be blown away?" And then the whole crew said they sure didn't. And there is no party for Little Red Riding Hood either? There sure isn't. And Sneezy said, "And I am the biggest sap in the whole wide world?" "You sure are." And then Sneezy said, "Fingers! He needs to get revenge on the wolf." And they had a plan with Little Red Riding Hood. So Sneezy is trying to trick the wolf, who thinks he is Little Red Riding Hood. And he tells the wolf, "Wow, Grandma, what a big hair you have." And he had a hair for next Tuesday. And the wolf says, "My, what a big snaz you had." And Little Red Riding Hood, which is actually Sneezy, he said, "The better two." And then the whole gang said, "Sneeze you away with." And the wolf replied, "But Sneeze, man, what the hell? What about Huff and Puff Incorporators?" And Sneezy tells the wolf that he quits Bad Guys Incorporators. And he sneezed the wolf all the way back in time in the past. And he helped the little piggies fix the house by sneezing. And Grumpy said, "This kid's got talent, but keep that talent away from me." And the wolf has gone to the past forever and ever. The end. there will be more videos with educational stories and MVGS Michaels' stories right now. Join me and my friends on a great adventure with you and I on Migoverse. Oh, it's the narrator. Hi there, Mr. Narrator. What do you need?
Nearly bedtime in the 100-acre wood.
Oh, so let's sing a song then. Here we go.
Now the day is nearly through, it's time for sleepy heads. But there's something we should do before we go to bed. First we get our PJs on, the ones that feel just right. Then we're going to brush our teeth all sparkly and white. Pick our favorite storybook and tuck our toys in